Good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning.
Good morning to you. The birds are chirping.
Whenever you're watching this, it's Jordan Glover, Alpine Truck Sales. Today, I just wanted to come say, hey, standing in front of these two Kenworth T680s, they could be yours. We getting it done no matter what your credit level is. I also got box trucks available. If you are into the box trucks, non-CDL, getting those done for as low as $8,000 down. Again, my name is Jordan Glover. These trucks could be yours. 864-425-4296.